Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan baked ziti. This comforting dish is a plant-based twist on a beloved classic, perfect for any occasion. We'll cover everything from crafting a creamy vegan ricotta to layering the perfect casserole. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this hearty, flavorful, and entirely dairy-free meal that proves vegan food can be just as satisfying and rich. The heart of our vegan baked ziti is the rich, creamy ricotta. We'll use 1 block of firm or extra firm tofu, pressed to remove excess water. Mash it thoroughly, then mix in 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for tang, and a half teaspoon each of garlic powder and dried oregano. A splash of unsweetened plant milk or olive oil will help achieve that perfect, smooth consistency. Now let's assemble our masterpiece. First, cook 16 ounces of ziti pasta according to package directions until it's al dente, then drain it well. Next, spread a thin layer of your favorite marinara sauce, about 24 ounces total, at the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Begin layering with half the pasta, then dollops of the vegan ricotta, more sauce, and a generous sprinkle of shredded vegan mozzarella. Repeat these layers once more. Finally, it's time to bake our delicious creation. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the baking dish loosely with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Then, remove the foil and continue baking for another 5 to 10 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and the sauce is bubbling around the edges. Allow the baked ziti to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving to ensure neat slices and maximum flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.